Hello everyone. So this is going to be a video series on the topic Excel. So Microsoft Excel is now a kind of common chapter that we are having in almost all school related syllabuses from class 7 or 5 to 10. Okay, so the boards that I'm teaching is like CBSE or ICSE or the state boards. So there I'm finding the Excel to be very much common nowadays. So this is where I'll be start sharing some of the common things that a student or a kid should know while studying the Excel. So if you are a student from class 5 to 10 watching this video, definitely you already are aware of the syllabus of your computer application subject, and you must be knowing that this is in your syllabus, so you can follow the next videos on this. If you're not a kid, you are a parent who is having a kid of class 5 to 10, you can share these video series with your kid. It may help them basically. So how it helps? Two ways. One is that probably he has a system, a desktop at his home, and he can follow these videos and practice his own, or he do not have any system or desktop at home and he hardly gets time in the school for the practical classes. So in that case, what happens is, ask him to watch these videos multiple times. These videos will give him as if he is doing it multiple times. This is something I have also tried in my life when I do not have the resources of computers where I can use something. I generally watch the videos very concentrated with the focus way, so that every time, as if whenever I'm going to apply anything on out of that video, I feel like as if I have done it multiple times. So you can showcase these videos. Now the video series is going to be in English, but do not worry, I am not a British or American, so the English is also going to be very much, if you're not very comfortable in English, then also technical things in English or any language is not very difficult to understand, because most of the common terms will be used, and whatever the thing I am going to show you in the screen, try to see that. That is going to be very helpful. It's not like what I'm saying or how I'm saying. Even if you are going to mute my sound and you're going to follow the screen, you may get most of it. Okay, so thank you so much. Let us get started to the next video.